I'm Wendy from HANTENCNC. Today, we are going to talk about some common issues users may face when using laser cleaning machine. By the end of this video, you will definitely have a better understanding of your machine and know how to use it more effectively. Let's get started. Almost all customers need to clean multiple different pollution layers. In order to achieve better results, different parameters are definitely needed for cleaning of different pollution layers. In response to this situation, our machine has a professional clean parameters library that can store more than 100 different cleaning parameters. Let's look at what may be going on if the cleaning results aren't quite what you expected. Maybe there is still some oxidation or dirt left behind. The cleaning looks uneven, or the base material got slightly damaged. So what does this happen? It usually comes down to incorrect settings, like the laser power or pulse frequency. If the power is too low, it may not clean solely. Too high, and it could damage the surface. Another common reason is the cleaning head not being properly focused. If it is too far or too close, the laser energy weakens or won't work as well in certain areas. And for materials with uneven oxide layers or special coatings, like multiple layer oxides, you will need to tweak the settings accordingly for the best results. Now, what if the machine runs into a fault or acts up? For example, unstable laser outputs, system errors, or cooling issues. In this case, please first check whether there is dust and stains on the protective lens to ensure that the protective lens is not burned. If you are using a water-cooled model, things like low water flow or high water temperature may trigger overhead protection. Also, loose cable connections in the control system can cause random issues too. The good news is our machines are designed with accessible components, so you can easily check things yourself. Just doing regular checks on the cooling system and cable connections can help prevent most of those problems. And if you ever need support, our tech team is available around the clock to help you out. So that is for today's overview of common issues and how to fix them. If you have got more questions, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to our customer service. Thanks for watching. See you next time.